Hey everybody, this is the second video in my Schoology Tools series. This one's going to be on the advisor dashboard. A couple of these videos have come up when talking with principals, and this one especially. Sometimes principals would get a parent call or need to see exactly what a kid's doing in different classes, and we can see that easily in PowerSchool, but are they doing well on tests? Are they turning in stuff in Schoology? The advisor dashboard will give principals that tool that they can use. It's also nice for coaches and teachers. I know as a swim coach, often I need to jump in and see why this kid's grades aren't as good as they should be, and I might not have them in one of my classes, so I can look that up. But it's also important, I think, as a teacher, if you have an issue with a kid maybe not turning in work, to go find out if this is an issue in a different class too. And then maybe working with the other teachers to find a solution. So these are all good reasons to use the advisor dashboard in Schoology. Let's move ahead. So in Schoology, we're going to land here at the feed page. To find the advisor dashboard, you're going to go to Tools. Now you have a few less tools than I do, but you should see this advisor dashboard. This is turned on for all principals and all teachers at MCS. In the advisor dashboard, you can type a student name in here, and students in your building will pop up for you to look for. So for example, I'm going to come in here and look for my fake student, Johnny Schoology. When I click Johnny Schoology, his name popped up. I get a dashboard that shows me information about Johnny Schoology. Here are Johnny's courses. You can see some grades, and we don't take attendance in Schoology, but you see some grade information. Now these are all made up courses, so I don't have any grades here. Other cool thing though, you see upcoming assignments for Johnny. So this could help if you're a coach or a principal or someone who's checking in with a kid. You also see the groups that Johnny is a part of down here. So it gives you a lot of different things you can look for. You can click Johnny's calendar, and I shouldn't have anything on Johnny's calendar, but if any teacher, oh, there we go, we've got lots of stuff. Any course or group that has something posted to the calendar, you can jump in Johnny's calendar and quickly see what is due or what he's supposed to be doing. You see lots of things here. Johnny's in lots of different schools and lots of different classes. And then you can see this grade report for Johnny as well. Wait for it to load. And voila. I don't have any grades here, as I said, because Johnny's a test student. I do have some past classes, but you can also download this student report. The last thing I want to show you about this advisor dashboard, if I come back out to summary, all these classes that Johnny is enrolled in, I can very easily go and click that course, and it takes me into the course to see what's going on in that course. That's another way of seeing, hey, what's going on in the course, what's the teacher's grading policy, what current assignments are going on. So all great things, great ways to see what's going on with Johnny. I'm going to hit my back button, and it takes us back to Johnny's summary. Remember, we find this in Schoology. We land in Schoology at the feed page here. We simply click Tools, Advisor Dashboard, and then we can navigate to any student in our building that we have access to.